Hey everybody, Michael Anthony Fitness here, MAF GigEcon, as I'm known on this channel. And today, on this video, I got a tip for y'all. A tip for y'all when y'all see bonuses on Instacart. And I also want to talk about the most weirdest item that I picked up today on today's video. But before we get into all that, if y'all new here, make sure y'all punch that subscribe button, ring that sexy bell, and Hulk smash that like button. Let's get into it. So today, in my second market, they have a bonus today that if you don't get $68 minimum, you'll get the 68 plus your tips, which means that if you don't get 68 with the base pay, you'll get 68 plus your bonuses, which is great because you can make some good money today if you get good tips today and make less than 68 for your base pay. That's right. And I think I could do that today. And how am I going to achieve that? By two things. Looking at how much I get paid for the base pay and the tips. The good thing with Instacart is they show you the base pay plus wherever the tip is so that you can make educational decisions along with the miles. Now, I'm on my second batch. I'm about to go pick up real quick the second order on that multi-store batch, which will be my second batch. I have 4 more left. I left a little bit earlier this morning because I got a CVS order, which had 3 items on it, which wasn't that bad. Now, the first order, from what I can remember, was $12.70, and $6 of that was the tip, which is great because if I had no more orders with tips, I'll make extra $6 on top of that, which means I would have made $74 minimum, which is okay, but I want to make more than that. I want to make 100 or more today. So definitely I think I can do that, but the way I'm going to work it is I'm going to try to take orders that have less base pay than tip. Because you'll get the 68 guaranteed if you do the 6 batches, but I want to make as much tips as possible. Because I get another $30 on top of that. Shoot, that's $98 total. And then I do a couple of Uber Eats orders, and I'm good. I made over 100 today. And since I started out earlier today, I have 1 more batch more than I would have had at this time now. So definitely I should be finished by 5 and get my over 100 today. So that's my goal today. But before we end this video, I picked up today one of the strangest items ever. In this bag right here from the Family Dollar, you can kind of see the box right here, but I had to pick up a pregnancy test and some hair dye. Well, they want to add the hair dye on there, which is strange because I never picked up a pregnancy test before. But it was on a good paying batch because there's one item from Family Dollar. Picked that up, got shop groceries. It's only 13 items, 19 units. Not too bad. Get in, get out, drop these off, and go look for the next batch But that was the strangest thing. I had picked up tampons before, which wasn't too bad, and I picked up the C test, not bad either. So this one of the strangest things. Thought I'd bring it to this video, that somebody went to Instacart to get a pregnancy test. It is what it is. Drop it off with the customer, keep it moving. You know how that is. But yeah. But I want to get in here, shop this grocery order real quick, drop these off, and go wait for the next one. But I'll catch up with y'all next video or live stream, because I'm gone like Mr. Vontae Davis, and I'll see y'all soon. Peace.